What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, and this is your boy, Daddy. So, as you can see, the Subaru is not in here, but today I will be installing an HKS blow-off valve. Spoiler alert. I already did it. I already installed it.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
So, I will show you guys my hassles on trying to figure out how to put this thing in. Once again, one of my biggest sources is YouTube. Hey guys, thank you. Thank you so much for helping me install this HKS blow-off valve, because without you, I wouldn't be able to do it. Anyways, this stuff is starting to get kind of expensive, so it would really help me out if you like and subscribe. It will definitely help me out. And share my videos if you like it. But I will give you guys my review at the end and let you know if it's worth it or not. It's really up to you guys, but I will show you guys the process of me installing it, and we'll do a little passes with it on passes. I don't know, pulls, yeah, we'll be doing some pulls and see how it sounds. All right, guys, so now to look at this. This is an HKS super sequential blow-off valve. Pretty much what this does is takes the air and spits it out this end and makes really cool sounds. All the lovely cool sounds that we all know and love. Very beautiful. And I really hope it sounds good. I've actually never heard this in person. Only in YouTube videos. You do need to be very careful. There are a lot of fakes out there, so if you feel like you're gonna save a couple bucks, chances are it's fake. Don't do it. If it's from eBay, don't do it. A few things you can tell right away: this is really heavy, or not really heavy, but it's heavier than the fakes. Another thing is the hologram right here, very well made. Not sure if you can pick that up. No, maybe can you see it? Anyways, the hologram is very well made. The serial numbers match the box. Also, I got this at a reputable source. I honestly forgot where I got it from, but it's a reputable source. You're just gonna have to trust me on that one. If I find the link, I'll put it in the description down below. So also, they have supplied me with other goodies. So I got this hose. I got, a braided hose. So fancy. It came with this. So it blocks off something there. Definitely looked like it was casted. So got that going. Another hose, a tiny one. Another tiny stubby one. A hat. No. I'm pretty sure what this is. You can take this off and you can put it as recirculating, which is what I'm probably gonna do in mine. Personally, I don't like it way too loud, but I will take this off and have it recirculated. For those who don't want it recirculated, then don't do that. Simple as that. I will have to do some other YouTube research, because I'm probably gonna royally F this up. Comes with zip ties, very tiny zip ties. I got some big boys, so I might not use those. Another hose, more zip ties if you need them. I got a bunch of other stuff. All right, so we can stop a few things here and there. Some washers. I'm not gonna open that. I'm just gonna keep this in the bag, because I'm probably most likely 100% gonna lose it. A filter, a hose clamp, and a bracket. And another hose clamp. So this gives me everything I need to get started. Oh, and most important, the instructions. Yes, yeah. It says right here, blow-off valve. Oh, pictures. Yeah, pictures definitely help me a lot more. Yeah. I know what this is. This is in the bottom. Okay. Yes. I really hope it's in English. Oh, wow, there was English instructions in here all the time. And here I was trying to decipher Japanese. Anyways, I will thoroughly go over these instructions. Probably not really. And let's get started. Alright guys, so after reviewing the instructions. Looks like I need to take this off, and also I realized I have another boost leak right over there. See that right over there? The hose is not even barely on. Right there. Look at that. Not even. Annoying. Anyways, problem will be fixed later. So just to start, I'm gonna take off this beautiful charge pipe so I can get some more room to work. All right, charge pipe is removed. Took me like, I don't know, 30 seconds to do. And right over here, you can see a better view on this. Look at all this, you know, see, look at that, see, look. What's the point? Anyways, this is the old blow-off valve. I take that off, clean this, a lot of oil in here. Anyways, I'm going to proceed to getting all these hoses out of my way and take off this blow-off valve so I can put a fresh new one. All right, so after reading the instructions, this pipe, or this outlet right here, that's where the T-fitting goes, or whatever you want to call it, goes there with a hose, and it's supposed to go to the charge pipe. Looks very different in pictures because, you know, I have a front mount air cooler, so I'm guessing it'll go in there. At least I hope, in this spot right here. Now, the problem that I'm running into is, don't know if I have a hose to go over that. I hope with the array of hoses that they gave me, and with the old hoses, I can make something work. Let's see if I can figure it out. Alright, good news everybody. So that hose that was on there, that was barely on there, I was able to recycle that hose to make this fit. So now this end is gonna go here. Now I just gotta find a hose. Finally. Alright, so I was very wrong. Luckily, this hose was already on here. I know I was saying this nipple right here was supposed to go into the charge pipe. No, it was like the bigger nipple. So that's all squared away. It's not tightened up yet because I'm still trying to maneuver things around. You know, I still gotta make room for this charge pipe to come in this way. So now I just gotta figure out some fitment for that bottom nipple, because I think that one actually goes upwards, so I don't want the bend to be completely kinked up, so I might have to reroute that somewhere, or maybe I'll just, I don't know, I'll figure something out. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with the fitment. You know, I had no other choice but the bend is not too crazy. I will put a hose clamp on there and maybe tighten this up a little bit. I'm gonna start tightening these bad boys up. I snaked it up top, and I'm going to show you what I'm kind of just messing around with. Placement right at the moment, and then I still have to cap off this old one. Not a lot of space to get my hand in there. I might just, you know, crimp this up. I don't know. I probably won't even show you guys that part because I would probably get judged. Just for video purposes, just pretend I did that. I capped it off the correct way. Alright, so here we go. Snake this bad boy up here. Let's just move this. It's really hard to do with only one hand. So I did mount this right here with the bracket that was supplied. Right in there. There's like a 10mm nice little bracket. Holds very nicely. Good stuff. Very good stuff. Alright, so got the clamp ready to go. Let's put it on here. It's a little tight. You know, an old mechanic once told me, if you're having some difficulties with a hose, just spit on it. If it's too tight, just spit on it. I always thought he was really weird, but you know what? It stuck with me throughout my entire life. Alright guys, so valve, I already kind of put this together with the filter, but I only see, well, I see two. There's only one in the picture, and the picture is not of best quality. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I guess I'll just figure it out. Alright, so now that I made a decision on putting it on this whole hose, and I blocked off this one, I do have to unbolt a couple of these, and also since I do have a air oil separator, I just need to tap into this one, so this way I don't have to cut too much hose, just in case I royally screw up. I already got this thing kind of set up, so I can just stick that right on in there. Now I just need an Allen wrench, and this thing, a little T-fitting. So this is gonna go right there, maybe here. Yeah, around there. All right, so now she's finally in, looking very good, very sexy. Look at that. Looks very nice. I really hope everything works the way it should. Hopefully no codes come on. That'll be very sad. But you guys will hear if there's a huge difference in sound quality. So I'm just gonna start her up and give it a few revs. All right, so time for some B-roll.
Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse.
Epic B-roll. Okay guys, so she is pretty much able to go. However, as I mentioned in my previous videos, this is the part where I screwed up on. Yeah, so if I get to screw up again, you guys will be the first to see, because I won't be able to tell. So sit back, relax, and watch me screw up. Guys, she made it. I'm so happy right now. Oh, that's great, epic, wonderful. Figure I'd give you guys a couple of nice revs. Beautiful. Okay, so far so good. No check engine lights, just my ABS light and my hill assist and traction control. That's been a problem for a while. I'm not really sure how to fix that. It's actually pretty annoying. If anybody knows how to fix that, let me know. I mean, I already changed all the ABS sensors. I guess that's not a problem. I really don't know what else I can swap out, but let's go for a spin. All right guys, let's see if we can hear something. Oh yeah, there's some spoolage going on. Not sure how good you guys can hear that on the video. Oof. Does sound sick. This guy in front of me is going too slow. Here we go, guys. Very nice. All right guys, so back to HKS. So far so good. I had no check engine lights, which is a wonderful sign because I really hate dealing with check engine lights. Not a very fun thing to deal with. Anyways, I digress. Sounds good. As you can hear in the videos, I wasn't really going too fast. I also wasn't like revving too hard, just trying to monitor everything, making sure like I have no more oil leaks and whatnot. But it sounds pretty good. If it's on a high load, I haven't driven it on the highway yet, but it's really hard to record with one camera and trying to shift gears. It's not the most fun thing to do, especially in my neighborhood. There's a lot of cops. I've probably got pulled over like 4 times in the last week for like dumb things. But anyways, sounds good. Is it worth it? It really depends. Do you like the sound? Then yeah, screw it, do it. But make sure you buy it from a reputable source, like, I don't know, Subi Speed or something like that. I think I got mine from a Subi Speed. Oh, Subi Speed. I will check in my emails and I'll put a link in the description down below if you guys are interested, and you know, you can buy one yourselves. If not, then don't buy one. But there are a lot of different options, but I did my research and this is the one I really wanted to get. But anyways, tune in next week. Give me a comment down below if what you guys want me to do next. I'm probably just gonna end up upgrading the sound system on this one because it's complete and utter trash. It literally just sounds like someone took some earphones and put it in a comb, and that's the sound system. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and goodbye.